नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूँ तेजल और मैं आपका स्वागत करती हूँ हमारे शो में जिसका नाम है शॉप गुड टीवी। दिस इज द प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर वी हेल्प यू बाय गुड। शॉप गुड टीवी इज ऑल अबाउट ग्रेट ब्रांड्स, इनोवेटिव प्रोडक्ट्स एंड एक्सपर्ट एडवाइस। और ये एक ऐसा मंच है जहाँ हम बायर्स और सेलर्स दोनों को खुशी बांटते हैं। सेलर्स को इसलिए खुशी मिलती है क्योंकि उनका प्रोडक्ट वो लोगों तक पहुंचा पाते हैं, और बायर्स को इसलिए खुशी मिलती है क्योंकि वो यही सब प्रोडक्ट्स कम और अपनी जेब के मुद्दे को नजर रखते हुए खरीद सकते हैं। अब ये हुई ना दोस्तों विन विन सिचुएशन। हम सभी को पता है कोरोना की वजह से न जाने कितने घर उजड़ गए हैं, और इसी वजह से ये हमारी एक छोटी सी कोशिश है ताकि हम इन सेलर्स के घर बचा पाए। ये एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां हम एसेंशियल से लेकर लग्जरी आइटम्स तक सभी कुछ रखते हैं। और दोस्तों आज का जो प्रोडक्ट है वो है सभी के दिल के करीब, क्योंकि अगर इसे सही से ना चुना जाए तो ये दिल पे भी असर कर सकता है। दोस्तों जिम के फैट तो अब आए हैं, पर चटपटा खाना किसे पसंद नहीं होता। छोले भटूरे, पाव भाजी, गुलाब जाम, लेकिन दोस्तों इन सब में एक कॉमन एलिमेंट होता है और वो होता है ऑयल। जी हाँ दोस्तों, हम खाने में जो इस्तेमाल करते हैं वो तेल। इट ऑल्सो प्लेज एन इम्पोर्टेंट रोल इन फूड प्रिपरेशन बाय एनहांसिंग द फ्लेवर ऑफ फूड, adding texture to it and making baked products crispier. But at the same time, we need to focus on our health as well. We eat so much oily food for the temporary pleasure and we risk our heart. But then what should we do? जिंदगी भर घास फूस खाते रहे? बिल्कुल नहीं दोस्तों। जैसा कि मैंने कहा, यहाँ हम प्रॉब्लम्स के साथ साथ सॉल्यूशंस भी लेकर आते हैं। आपको जो खाना है आप खा सकते हैं। जी हाँ, आपके हेल्थ की ज्यादा चिंता किए बगैर। एक ही तो जिंदगी मिलती है, खुल के जियो। और इसलिए एज अ सॉल्यूशन टू योर प्रॉब्लम वी आर हियर विद एन अमेजिंग प्रोडक्ट ऑन शॉप गुड टीवी, presenting you the amazing range of Presso oils. We have 3 amazing varieties in this: Presso Cold Pressed Sesame Oil, Presso Cold Pressed Groundnut Oil, and third, Presso Cold Pressed Coconut Oil. These products are already launched on our website www.precool.com. Also, now that we have launched the amazing products, it's time for some entertainment. And today, we have a very special artist with us, and her name is Maithili. So Maithili, without any further ado, let's get it. Thank you so much, Maithili. This was amazing. Please visit her YouTube channel if you want to listen to her amazing and melodious compositions. Link will be mentioned in the description box below. And just like Maithili, if you are willing to show your talent on our show, please mail us at shopgoodtv@gmail.com. Now that I have given you a brief introduction about this product, we have the expert with us today. We have the vendor of Presso oils with us. Please welcome Sindhu Arun ma'am. But before that, let's take a look at her background. She has done her BTech in IT and MSc in UK, and she's the Presso founder and Chief Food Care Officer as well. Ma'am, we are delighted to have you on our show. I welcome you on behalf of Shop Good TV. So without any further ado, we just took a look at your amazing variety of products, and I must say those are highly impressive. So my first question to you is, what clicked you to be the vendor of this product?
Okay, awesome. I'm super excited to be part of this, the interview. Okay, why I'm doing this? I'm into business for last 11 years, more than 11 years. So in my business journey, I have found few problems, which needs to be solved from the root level. Okay, Presso is manufactured in the village because there is a problem in the village that the laborers are not getting the job every day of the month. Okay, this is the case all over India. Yes, they do get job, but not all day, every day throughout the year. So that is the one problem I saw practically. So through Presso, we'd like to solve that problem. And the second problem, I saw is that customers like you and like me, we are having a lot of adulteration in the oil industry. We don't know what is the adulteration or how to identify, and because we are consuming the adulterated oil without knowledge, this causes a long-term chronic disease like cancer and heart disease. Okay, so I'd like to we wanted to solve that problem of avoid adulterated problem and give the best quality purest oil. Okay, that is the second problem we wanted to solve. And the third problem is we wanted to help the youth, educated youth, live in their home village or hometown. A lot of my friends live abroad or metros but if I go and ask them, where do you love living? And obviously majority of them say my hometown, my home village, because they love the place. But then they moved out of that place because of their career opportunity they have in other locations. So at Presso, we would like to solve that problem of you don't have to move out of the village to have a better career option. Presso trying to give a better career option for the educated youth also. And the next problem we identified is that women like me, after marriage, after having baby, a lot of them are they need to take care of the family. They don't have any other choice because they have a kid, they have elders in the family. At least one person needs to stay at home and take care of the entire family. And in their corner of their mind, they're saying, I don't know why I have done my MBA. I don't know why I worked as a HR manager before my marriage. Now I'm not doing anything in my career. That feeling is there. I'm wasting my studies and my experience. So what Presso is trying to do is give the opportunity for the women so that they can work from home. They don't have to feel bad about staying at home. In fact, our entire sales team is working from home, entire marketing team is working from home, and they're all women. We give the first preference to women. So that is the problem, another problem we are trying to solve. And also the main problem we're trying to solve is there are a lot of people around India want to start business. They don't like the job or they don't love the job. They're not happy in their current career. They want to start the business. Majority of them, they're not starting the business, though they have the interest to start a business because they have the fear of loss in business, fear of risk. So this is the two main reasons they're not taking up the business opportunity, though they wanted to take up. So Presso is giving the opportunity for the people who want to start a business, who want to diversify business, or who want to add one more product to their business. So this is another problem we are trying to solve. So we identified all these problems. We have put into our system, our business, and this is how we have started the business, and this is how we are working towards solving all those problems.
That's great, ma'am. That's amazing. This is highly impressive. What a great initiative this is. So my next question to you is, there are so many other oils in the market, but how is your oil different from them, and why do you insist people on buying?
Okay, fantastic. See, what we do is I'll say in a simple words. Okay, every mother deserves the best quality oil for her selfless cooking. Do you agree?
100%.
Yeah. So we wanted to support that woman. We wanted to help those women to give the best, purest quality oil out there in the market. and we are fresh oil and natural oil, and that is why people need to buy this oil. And also majority of the households, only women make this choice, which oil to buy, because this is a woman venture, and we give first preference to women to get employed also. They are contributing for helping other women out there, and also they're getting the best quality oil. And I'll put it in another way also. What we don't eat, every one of us in Presso, every one of us working in Presso using only Presso oil, we are very clear that if we don't eat, we don't sell that oil. We don't commercialize the product. We keep it, this product as much natural as possible without doing too much process. That is another reason we have to buy it. This product is so close to nature. Okay, we produced in less heat, so that nutritions are intact in the product. So we are very particular about what our customers are putting to their mouth.
I guess that's the reason Presso is a trustworthy brand.
Yeah,
so
exactly.
third question which pops up is, are there any products that we should look forward to? I mean, any new launches?
Currently we are working, but it's too early to say now. But yeah, once the product is ready, we'll be informing our clients and you also.
Sure, ma'am. That is just amazing. Thank you so much for connecting with us today. We wish you all the very best for this venture. This is really amazing. Thanks a lot for coming.
Thank you so much. Take care.
After that amazing interview, the products that we showcase here on ShopGood TV are tried and tested. But to give you all a precise idea, here are some feedback slides from the customers who have already tried and verified these products. So, after listening to these amazing feedbacks, place your order right now on our number 907207771, or you can also place your order on our website www.pracol.com. And since I have mentioned Pracol for a couple of times now, let's take a look at what Pracol is. Okay, so let me tell you, in these tough times, we all are having a tough job to do, right? But anyhow, shopping is mandatory. It can be of essential items or non-essentials, but we do shop. What if I tell you from our website, which is www.pracol.com, whenever you purchase a product, you are actually helping a woman and her family to survive. Yes, you heard it right. www.pracol.com is the site which is run by 99% by women entrepreneurs. The main motto of this site is to empower women and make them financially independent. Now this is something special, right? While fulfilling our needs, we are helping some women fulfill their needs too. So that's what makes Pracol and ShopGood TV unique of all. We also have a good news for you all. We have a Samyojika scheme under Pracol. If you wish to earn profits by sitting at your house, then we have this Samyojika scheme especially for you all. We will be placing the link in the description box below. Please check that out. And also, just like Sindhu ma'am, if you are also willing to promote your product on our channel, then mail us at shopgoodtv@gmail.com. And with this, we conclude this bang-on episode. I thank you all for being present here, and I can't thank enough to my technical team. Also, जाते जाते ऐसे ही कमाल के और मजेदार प्रोडक्ट्स आपको चाहिए तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना। तो इसी के साथ दिस इज तेजल साइनिंग ऑफ। मिलते हैं अगले संडे इवनिंग इसी टाइम पे। तब तक स्वस्थ रहना, मस्त रहना।